Welcome to our Order Deliveries app, built with AppSheet and Google Sheets to help manage orders easily and efficiently. This app has 5 main sections. The first section is New Order, where we input all incoming orders. It is designed to be simple and organized, making it easy to capture every new order. After an order is received, it moves to the Received section. Here, we review the details, assign a courier, set the delivery date, and then use the Set Delivery button to move the order to the next stage. The next section is Shipped, which shows all orders that are currently being delivered. This helps us monitor everything that is on the way to customers. Once a delivery is complete, the order moves into the Completed section, giving us a clear record of all finished deliveries. In addition to these, there are 2 more sections. The Customer section stores the list of all customers, and the Courier section contains the list of couriers we work with. With this app, the entire delivery process becomes faster, more organized, and easier to manage, from the moment an order is created until it is successfully delivered to the customer.